Today I'm reviewing this floating electric shaver. It has a double ring mesh, a magnetic head, and a power cut blades high precision steel blade 360 contour head. So let's see how this looks when we open it. So this is the packaging, by the way. It's really nice. It comes with a QR code, like warranty to activate, and comes here with the little thing to charge it. Well, and it comes with a cute brush so you can clean it up and stay sanitized. And here is the brush itself. It has a cute protector, and then so this is how it looks. It's very clean, portable, very nice, not too big. It's not very light too, which is very convenient for everyone. Let's turn it on. Let's see. I like how it shows you the percentage and everything, so when you know when it's dead to charge it, like when it's close to dying. This is how it sounds. It's pretty noisy, so if it's not noisy and doesn't bother you, like you don't find it too noisy, definitely do recommend this, but be aware it's like loud.